Looking forward, rapid changes are taking place in the global monetary system that may affect the international role of the dollar in the future. Most major economies already have or are in the process of developing instant 24/7 payments. Our own FedNow service will be coming online in 2023. And in light of the tremendous growth in crypto assets and stablecoins, we are examining whether a U.S. central bank digital currency would improve upon what is an already safe and efficient domestic payment system. As our white paper on this topic notes, a U.S. CBDC could also potentially help maintain the dollar's international standing.
We're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. The New World Order book is going to show you how the world really works. And it's definitely time for you to wake up out of that sleep, especially in the times that we're in right now. I told you at the beginning of the year, in the first quarter of 2022, we was going to have an event that was going to bring us down. And then also in the fourth quarter, we would have an event that would bring us down. That's exactly what happened. And now I'm going to tell you, in the first quarter, we're going to have an event that's going to bring us down in 2023. And then also in the fourth quarter of 2023, we're going to have another main event. Now, of course, guys, the markets are still going to be pumping and dumping until they get ready to pull the full rug. But I'll let you know when that's about to happen. Now, also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 kids books. It's time to get re-educated. And also, much love to those who've donated to the Cash Shop and Patreon. And in my Patreon, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. Also, I give you the New World Order cryptos in the Patreon. Of course, you have to do your own research. But this next bull run is going to be a utility run. So you want to make sure that you have the cryptos that have utility. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
And we had Bitcoin and cryptos move up as expected, guys. Bitcoin and cryptos are 24/7. While everything is closed, the casino of cryptocurrency stays open. So we did get a little liquidity. And like I said, guys, I definitely see us pumping slightly, pulling back because we know the Fed is going to be rolling off this balance sheet. And then moving up around the 5th, we know they need Bitcoin as collateral. But guys, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We had yield rates rising on Friday. We know if they continue to rise, we know what happens to stocks and cryptos. And then also make sure you're paying attention to the actual inverted yield curve. We know the crash is coming. And then, of course, guys, we had the dollar, which pulled back slightly. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC, and then we have the Fed. Repo at $2.5 trillion. And guys, we know why they moved it up, because we know that the central banks are now going to start rolling off this balance sheet this year, and plus are going to continue on raising rates until they pause. Now, we know the EU has already stated they're going to be raising rates 3 months straight and then plus rolling off the balance sheet. So we know the EU is going to be aggressive. Remember, guys, they have to destroy this legacy market, and that includes the United States World Reserve currency, and give the rise to the emerging markets, with China being the leader along with the digital yuan backed by that digital SDR. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. And guys, we know in Europe and the United States, stable coins and CBDCs are illegal. And that's the reason why they're trying to build it on top of the current system. If the masses would wake up, if they understood finances, this would have never gotten this far. But because you're not taught finances in school, and because the American people have been dumbed down so bad, no longer critical thinkers, and stay distracted on things that don't matter, their life is definitely about to change. Because we know the robots, algorithms, and drones are about to take over the economy, and the sheep are going inside the metaverse. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. And because of technology, because of videos, guys, I show it coming out of their mouths. I'm just connecting the dots and showing you the players. If you open your eyes, if you want to accept the truth, you will be set free. Now, guys, we're at Grayscale about 14.617 billion. And getting over into a little crypto news. The movie continues. One of the Winklevoss twins sends a message to Barry Silbert. And guys, we know that's Digital Currency Group, and we know they own CoinDesk and Grayscale. But he states that Barry Silbert is stalling on 900 million. Now, guys, don't forget, CoinDesk is the one who broke the story on FTX. Now, guys, don't forget the Winklevoss twins are the ones who created the technology that Zuckerberg used to create Facebook. It's not by chance that all of a sudden these twins are heading up this new digital economy. They just decided to join the New World Order. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. Do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The stock channel, guys, don't forget to go like, subscribe, spread everywhere. You have your Kobo, your chips out, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home get home stocks to see what the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Team save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Drama Team save New York. Long COVID Stories 3, Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.